On a dreary, rainy afternoon, a poor, shivering puppy sat alone on the side of the road. Its ribs showed through its wet fur, and it had not eaten for days. As the rain poured down, people hurried by, barely noticing the small, soaked creature. Suddenly, a kind-hearted little boy, no older than 8, spotted the puppy from under his bright yellow umbrella. His heart ached at the sight. Without hesitation, he ran back home, rummaged through his pantry, and returned with a small bag of dog food. Kneeling on the wet pavement, the boy gently called the puppy over, offering the food with a warm smile. Despite the cold rain, a moment of warmth and kindness blossomed on that lonely road.